Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our challenge for the month of September is to get out our die cutting machines, be it electronic or manual, and use your dies, use your thin cuts, use your Cricut, use your Silhouette. I'm using my Cricut plus my products from my Scrappy Supplies. And before I forget it, remember to go check out our Facebook group site. The link is listed below. Now let me show you the products that I've pre-selected. So I selected 3 sprays. So we have Dana Wakley Gloss Spray in white, Heidi Swap Color Shine in black, and then we have Nuva Mica Mist in silver. I have these old Ellie Studio puffy stickers from Sweetheart Puffy Sticker Collection. I have some pearls. I have a couple of chipboard pieces with word phrases, and I have a couple of die cut pieces. And all the black and white die cut pieces are from an old Felicity Jane collection, and I do not remember which one. Then to the right, I have these puffy musical stickers, clear stickers, and stars, and those all were purchased from Hobby Lobby. And I have one metal piece that's white, and I don't know where I picked this up at, but it's kind of like the little pointy thing on a clock. I am documenting 3 photographs from my little guy's winter orchestra concert last year. These are all from 2021. I have black cardstock from Close to My Heart, and then I have that red vinyl inlay cardstock also from Close to My Heart. I am going to double mat my photographs using both those cardstocks, and here is the finished matting product. And then that background is a design element from the Cricut Design Store. Before I secure all my photographs and my embellishment, I am going to splatter using the 3 colors. The Dana Wakley Medium Gloss Spray. Right now I am splattering the Heidi Swap Color Shine in black. And then I will do the Nuva Mica Mist in Smoke Silver. And then I add the white medium gloss spray from Dana Wakley. Then I will get out my T-ruler just to line up the 2 larger photographs, and I do it about the 2-inch mark from the bottom, and this is why I love using my Close to My Heart mat. It just helps with keeping things in line, and I am a Close to My Heart consultant, and if you would like to pick up that mat, it is awesome. It cleans up perfectly. I've had this one for a year. All right, back to my layout. Oh, and I will have my Close to My Heart link listed below where you can come shop through me. So I'll secure the 2 larger photographs next to each other, and then I take and trim the one picture where we're focusing on my little guy with his viola, and I place it over the 2 larger photographs, and I do add foam adhesive to the back. Now I am using these stickers from, where did I say they were from? Hobby Lobby, that's right. And the one is the musical stand, and I just tore the musical stand, but I love that musical book, and it has silver glitter, and then I add that word phrase across from that. Now I'm moving over to the left side of the photograph, and again I'm using this book punch die cut piece that came from an older Felicity Jane collection. I trimmed half of it off. I'm tucking it underneath. I'm going to add a heart, and it has these crisscross lines going across, and the word, chipboard word that says #perfect. And then I'm going to add one of these rubber charms that also came from an older Felicity Jane collection. So I added the white with the black lines. So I have a nice contrast going on. And then I'm going to add a tab right above that photograph, and I ink it up using black ink from Close to My Heart. Now I think next I add, yes, this puffy heart banner from that older LE Studio heart collection. It says 2018, so it's not super old, right? And I add that underneath the smaller photograph and the larger photographs to draw your eye to my little guy. Then I'm getting out those clear stickers, again from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to create a cluster in the upper left-hand corner. So I'll add the musical note. Then I'm going to bring in a round circle from, remember, Felicity Jane, and it has little black X's, and I will ink around that circle using the black ink from Close to My Heart. Oh, that's right. I remember that I added that little, the clock handle. Why it was in my memory at the time before I finished my cluster in the upper right hand corner, and it just nicely tucked under the word music, filled in that empty space right there. Now after I add the circle, I'll add a clear sticker on top of that that says musical memories. Then I move back down over to the right side of the photograph in my music book, and I add the music notes. And I really like that. So then I take another music note and I add it up there in the upper right-hand corner. And then I don't know, I edited it out or I just didn't have it because I don't like my videos to be more than 7 minutes. But the last finishing touches is I add a pearl up there by that musical note. And then I add 2 more by the musical notes to the right. And then I added those silver stars. And my layout is complete. All right, remember to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. It is listed below in the description box. And I will have the close-ups next. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way, and come join over there at our Facebook group site. We have lots of inspiration from all our members. All right, give me a thumbs up, and we will see you next time. Bye.